Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate your Landbank ATM card in 2025. Step 1. Visit the nearest Landbank ATM machine in your area. Step 2. Insert your card and enter the temporary PIN provided in the card release envelope. Step 3. Once prompted, change your PIN to a 6-digit personal code of your choice. Step 4. After the PIN is changed, perform a balance inquiry to finalize activation. Step 5. If you received your card through a payroll program or third-party channel, activation might require a branch visit or SMS confirmation. And you can now use your card for ATM withdrawals, POS payments, and online banking via iAccess. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.